That's it. Good smell. Bigger log coming. Bigger log coming. I will. Got it. Got another 4 or 5 feet. Yeah, you can smell it coming again. That's crazy. It's a lot more gradual here. Yeah, you saw the debris wall. Huge trees, geez. Smell that? We're standing right over Hermosa Creek here, and you can see a big flash flood debris flow coming off the 416 burn scar here. The water rose dramatically. Large trees, trunks coming down, likely flooding areas further downstream right now in Hermosa. This is north of Durango, Colorado. There you can see the burned trees from where this flood emanated. Up near the Rico area, just to the southeast of there, there's about 1.5 inches of rain.